Hello sellers, you just secured the desired purchase price for your home with a buyer and you are in contract. Now, the buyer's lender needs to determine if your property is worth that price. Typically, this is done by an appraiser. What are some tips you can do to maximize your home's value before an appraisal? Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. First of all, it is important to know what an appraisal is and how it can make or break a sale. An appraisal is a report ordered by the buyer's lender to determine the value of a property based on its characteristics and neighborhood comparables. The lender wants to ensure that the property is worth the amount the buyer is financing. The appraisal is usually a contingency that is put in place by the buyer to acquire their financing from a mortgage lender. So, what are some tips you can do to enhance your home value before an appraiser assesses your property? Number one rule of thumb: first impressions matter, and you want to showcase your property at its best from the exterior to the interior. First of all, curb appeal. It is the first chance to make that first impression with the appraiser. You can enhance your property by laying new mulch, planting fresh flowers, moving your lawn and trimming overgrown bushes. You may even want to touch up some exterior paint or power wash. After working on the exterior, you want to make sure your interior is just as appealing. Because an appraiser is going to look at measurements, upgrades, and overall condition of the home and not necessarily worry about the lived-in look, it is best practice to make their job more easy. Having a bright and clean home will help the appraiser to get a better idea of the home's condition. Important rooms to declutter are bedrooms, bathrooms, and kitchen. Maybe you need to make some minor repairs too. Although an appraiser is not going to do a complete home inspection, they are going to make sure smoke detectors are installed, water heaters are braced, and appliances are working properly. They will look at the overall maintenance of the property, so be on the lookout for leaks or visible electrical issues. Finally, they are going to look at the neighborhood comparables also. They are going to evaluate what homes have sold recently compared to your characteristics to determine the final value. Bottom line, the appraisal doesn't have to be worrisome if your home is ready and worth the price. If you would like more information of recently sold comparables in your neighborhood, reach out to me and my team so we can prepare a free home valuation report for you. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, helping buyer and sellers with excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.